Hi guys, John the firearms instructor, and I want to cordially invite you to our Tuesday night live. It's this Tuesday, the 18th at 6 p.m. to discuss the masterclass. Last 4 weeks, we've been working with students throughout the United States on getting their accuracy with a firearm. We called it the beta group, and those guys work with me to put a course together that I'm going to give you. And this course is going to cover everything you need to know about a handgun, how to hold it, how to control it, how to be accurate with it, how to run the trigger. And each week, we're going to progress you into better shooting and better accuracy each week. Who's this class for? Well, it's designed for the first-time shooter who's never shot a pistol before. And not only does it do that, but it goes on to people who have shot for a while and picked up a lot of bad habits. This is a great thing. Not only are you getting the course, but you're going to get videos correlated to each week's lesson. You're going to get free PDFs, targets, and you're going to get a call with me each week to discuss your target and how to improve. All of that program is put together to just make you a better shooter. Now, all you really need to have to do these classes is a willingness to learn, a handgun, a cell phone, because you're going to be able to videotape some of your targets and take some pictures for me. Be available on a Monday night at 7 p.m. for a 1-hour webinar each week. And look and improve yourself. That's who it's designed for. If you're having problems at the range, maybe shooting low and left, or maybe just anticipation, or just don't feel like you're doing just right, this class is just for you. We put this together to educate, motivate, and entertain, and I hope we do that in this class for you guys. Now, if you're local and you want to join us, you surely can. We're not stopping our local people from coming. Cool thing is, anytime you come to the range, you don't pay for time. You just come in, we work with you. Mostly people do it on Saturdays, but we can set appointments for that as well. And you need to run about 30 to 50 rounds each time you train. You're not spending a lot of money. Most of the drills I give you anyways throughout the YouTube channel and all the stuff we do here are low round count drills anyways. So if you're looking to improve your accuracy and you don't know where to go, you found it. And I'm here to support you, help you, and give you the knowledge you need to outshoot your brother-in-law. And wouldn't that be great? Is it for women? It's for men. It's for families. Anybody can do it. You obviously got to be over 18 years old. That's the one important thing, and you must be able to have a firearm. But beyond that, it's available for you guys. What do you get in that class? You get all the PDFs. You get a course ebook that we give you for free. We give you all of the education. We give you videos corresponding to each week's chapter, so you'll understand how to properly hold a pistol. You'll understand how to properly control the accuracy. You'll understand grip. You'll understand stance. You'll understand everything. And you're going to be able to educate yourself what you're doing wrong. That's the big challenge for most people. They don't know what the hell they're doing. And they can't figure out what's causing this. What's causing low and left if you're right-handed? I mean, there's a lot of different stuff that's causing things. And we together, me and you, can identify your problems and try to solve them. The group, the OGs, the guys that started me out, had 15 students that did the class. We had one guy drop out because of health. But beyond that, they all did well. They all did wonderful. You're going to get the class, you're going to get time with me. You're going to get an invite to a Facebook group. That's a private Facebook group. You're going to get all the information, all the knowledge, the drills, everything you need to work on a program that's going to make you a better shooter. And that's what this is all about. It's not about bullseyes. It's about defensive accuracy. It's about having confidence in the weapon to know that where you aim the weapon is where it's going to go. Would you like to be at the class? No problem. I'll have the link down below. All you have to join us. If you are already subscribed to our YouTube channel, where you'll get the invite already. It's going to say, hey, John's about to go live. I want to get you in this and get this going, make it big. Where's the cost? Well, think about this. If you were to come to me and take one training class, that's $145. Let's say you didn't do really well in that class and you wanted to give a couple of weeks, couple trainings more. Well, every time you did a training with us, it'd be 85 bucks. 145, 85, 85, 85. Let's say you did 4 trainings. So you're looking at a couple $100 there, close to $300. What I'm going to give you to give access to get this thing off the ground, to give you a special opportunity, I'm going to do it all for $99.99. One Benjamin will make you a better shooter. Think about what you spend at the range. You come to the range, costs you money to go to the range, costs you money to you shoot the ammo. Here, average, someone comes to the range for an hour, buys 100 rounds of ammo. You're looking at about 55 to 60 bucks. Those guys that do that, that don't have accuracy control, what do you think your accuracy is? Some of those guys come and shoot, and at that point in time, they may be at 20% accuracy or 30% accuracy. What if I told you you could shoot 50 rounds and be at 85 to 90% accuracy? It'd be worth the 99 bucks, wouldn't it? It'd be worth the $99.99 to learn the secrets to make you a better shooter. I hope you enjoy it, the live, and learn about it in the live itself. We're going to have that link down below to get you guys signed up. Next class is starting very soon, and we want to put you all in it. To help you make a decision if the master class is right for you, which I know it is, but if you want to understand a little bit more about it, please join us Tuesday night, the 18th at 6 p.m. when we go live right here from the range, and I'm going to give you the full details of the masterclass. If you guys already have been watching our videos for a while, you know I do this channel and everything we do to motivate, educate, and entertain, and this is going to be one of those. Guys, you don't want to miss this. I'm only taking 20 students each time we do this, and I want you to be one of them. If you have made your decision that I'm in already, just go ahead and comment below, I'm in. You don't have to wait for the Tuesday night, and we'll get you all signed up for it, get you the link to get you signed up. But if you want to wait till Tuesday, I'm good as well. Come educate yourself, become a better shooter, and outshoot your brother-in-law. Until next time, guys, God bless, be safe, and remember, you are your first line of defense.